Hey there. If you're dealing with a flickering laptop screen, I know how frustrating that can be. It can seriously mess with your productivity and drive you up the wall. But don't worry, I've got your back. Here are some common causes and simple fixes to get your screen back in shape. First up, outdated or corrupted drivers. This one's a biggie. Head over to Device Manager by right-clicking on the Start menu. Expand the Display Adapters section, right-click your graphics card, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software and follow the prompts. If that doesn't work, try rolling back the driver. Just go to Properties, hit the Driver tab, and click Rollback Driver. Next, let's talk about the refresh rate. An incorrect setting can cause flickering. Right-click on your desktop, select Display Settings, and then Advanced Display Settings. Click on Display Adapter Properties for Display 1, go to the Monitor tab, and pick a different refresh rate. Hit Apply and OK. Now, hardware acceleration. This can be a culprit in web browsers or certain apps. For browsers, go into Settings, search for hardware acceleration, and toggle it off. Restart your browser and see if it helps. For other apps, check their settings for hardware acceleration options and disable them if present. If your laptop has visible damage or hardware issues, it might be time to visit a professional repair service. Or if it's under warranty, give the manufacturer a call. Sometimes background apps are the problem. Press to open Task Manager, head to the Processes tab, and look for anything suspicious. Right-click and select End Task. Restart and check if the issue is gone. Overheating can also cause flickering. Make sure your laptop has proper ventilation, clean the vents and fans with compressed air, and consider using a cooling pad. If you've recently installed software or updates, they might be the cause. Uninstall or roll back the updates and restart your laptop in safe mode to check if the problem persists. Loose or damaged cables inside your laptop can cause flickering too. If you're comfortable, open it up and make sure all connections are secure. If not, seek professional help. Incorrect power settings can mess with your display. Go to the control panel, select power options, and try a different power plan. Adjust screen brightness settings for good measure. Operating system issues might be to blame. Run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an admin, typing and pressing enter. Follow any prompts to repair corrupted files. Check your BIOS or UEFI settings. Restart and enter BIOS UEFI settings, usually by pressing F2, F10, Del or EC during startup. Reset display-related settings to defaults and save changes. Using an external monitor, try a different display port or HDMI cable, or connect to another port on your laptop. Software conflicts can also cause flickering. Boot in safe mode, and if the flickering stops, uninstall any recent software that might be causing the issue. Lastly, make sure your display settings are correct. Right-click the desktop, select Display Settings, and ensure the resolution is set properly. Check multiple display settings if you use an external monitor, and there you have it. Follow these steps, and you should be able to fix that annoying screen flickering. If it persists, it might be time for professional help or a warranty claim. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and share. See you next time.